So are you ready to transform your Tesla? Because in today's video, we're gonna be doing a quick install and review on the front bumper lip kit. It's like a front spoiler for your Model Y. This will revolutionize and change the appearance of your car for the better. And this is coming from EVBASE. And the great thing that I love about EVBASE is not just the lip kit, but they have so many accessories for your EV, just not limited to your Tesla. And it is good quality, high quality. The customer service is amazing. And the best thing for you is today, if you use the special link in the description box below, you can get 20% off of any accessory when you click the link down in the description box below, or you can type just Frugal Me at checkout to apply that discount. So let's get right to the install. So I did move to my garage for this installation. So right here we have three parts. This is a side part. You have the longer part, which would go in the middle of the car here, and also another side part. We have some, I'm not sure what this is called, but it's like a plug thing. And you will need a flathead screwdriver to take out the existing ones. And also you have some screws here. And this will be with a Phillips screwdriver. So the first thing that we're going to do is these little black plugs. You have 6 of these under your car, but they only come with 4 of them. So that's telling me that we're only going to use 4 of these. So the original one over here on the very edge right here, we're not going to take that one out, but we're just going to move right on over until we get to the next one. So what we're doing is we're taking our flathead screwdriver and we're just going to pop that out. We're going to move over here. Then we took that one out. Then the 4th one, we're just moving right over. And we're just going to put that flathead screwdriver there and pop it out. All right, so after we went on and did that, we have the screw, and we're going to take our Phillips screwdriver, and if you can look right here, you have some holes. So I'm going to put the screw inside of here, and I am going to go on and tighten the screw in. Going to zoom in on that for us, and you just pretty much just tighten it in, and as you can see, it's in there. So we do have 3 holes on each side. So we're going to move right over here to the next one. We're just going to drop that screw right on in, and we're going to go in and tighten that up as well. Then after we tighten this one up, we also have one that's over here on the bottom. And we are going to yeah, that's nice and tidy. And now we have another one here on the bottom. We're going to line that up. And you can see that hole right there, and we are just going to pop that right on in and screw it right on in. Okay, now that we finished this side, it's nice and tidy. We're just going to repeat the same process on the opposite side. Now we have all of this taken care of. You can see it's on one big part. We're just going to plug it right in just to make sure, like, hey, this part is installed in the right angles. This part is installed in the right angles. All right, so after we see that everything is on the right angle, we're just going to take this off. And before we do any install, we want to make sure that our car is clean. You can use alcohol, any type of cleaning products that you have. So I have some cleaning products here. So I'm just going to spray just a little bit on here, microfiber towel, just to take off any gunk, any dirt that might be here. So whenever we attach that adhesive on here, it's going to be a great stick. So now what we're going to do is we have this red adhesive tape. We're going to go on and start peeling off the adhesive tape. So from here, what we're going to do is we got to make sure we're doing this carefully because this is adhesive is very sticky, but we are going to line up the little holes on the bottom of the car to what we have right here. And we're going to line them up with these little holes that you see here on the bottom of the car, the ones that we took out at the very beginning. So this is the most tedious part. I'm going to take off those glasses just to make sure that I have a good view on where I'm putting this. So we put that right in, and we are just going to slide it. All right, so what we're going to do is, you see the hole right here? I knocked it in and I can see the existing hole. We're going to take this black thing, we're going to take this piece out. It's coming in 2 different pieces. And we are just going to push in, hopefully y'all can see that. And it is right there in that hole. And then we're going to take the next part here and we're just going to knock it in. And as you can see, it is in there very tight. You just want to move it around to make sure it's not going to come out. And we're going to repeat that process on the other 4 as well. All right, so after we do that, we're going to hold our hands right here on the adhesive to make sure it is stick. I did that like for a minute already, and you can see it's not moving. So now we're going to take the screw here. Y'all, this is just soft plastic, so I'm going to put the screw right in, and we're just going to tighten it right on up as well. So we have 4 more screws, and as you can see, I am just getting it nice and tidy there, and that's 1. Then we're just going to repeat the process 3 more times. So I'm going to get another screw right here. I'm going to move right over here, and we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to line up this screw here, and we're just going to screw it right into the car. This is very soft material, so as you can see, it's going in with no problem. So this front bumper lip is striking and aggressive, and it matches the original curvature of the car and the style. Because since it is in 3 parts, it is consistent with the original car curvature, and this is spliced together, overlapping manager. So if by any reason receiving an impact, the force will be evenly distributed. And this material is high quality ABS plastic for the structure and also strength. And it is more affordable than some of the other expensive material out there on the market. And now also the installation is only about 5 minutes. So we are talking about a very easy installation. And remember, you can get this front spoiler right here, very durable, and it looks really good on the car, or any other accessory for your Tesla or EV at EVBASE.com, 20% off when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. And for more easy installs, you can check the video out right over here on your screen. Be sure you subscribe, and that way you don't miss any other videos about installing stuff on your Tesla or tips and tricks about your Tesla. And I will see you in the next video.